yet another video. So we are going to be starting off by, of course, checking out quickly Bitcoin and move on to Link, XRP, and AVAX. We are definitely going to be checking them all out. And we can also take a look at some other coins if there's anything else you guys would like me to check out. I mean, based on what I'm seeing, actually, it's all kind of we can do Luna. We can do DYDX. We can definitely do DYDX if that's something y'all are interested in. Yeah, DYDX. Yeah, right there. So we can actually definitely check that out later on. But let's take a look at Link, XRP, AVAX first, and then we can take a look at DYDX. Shall we do that? Indeed. All right. But Bitcoin, I just want to do a quick update. So yeah, this is the box, I guess. Yeah, so this is the next one. It created the big sell, buy, yeah, and then so we did not want to we wanted to skip on this because it's gonna be quite some time before the next price fill or mitigation point, which is not a good thing at all, and definitely would rather hop in some trades before then, but it's definitely going to be a point to just look out for because it can be just one big supply or demand zone. Keep that in mind, definitely. So we're just going to move on to the Link quickly because I do not want to be sitting around just talking about the same coin the whole time. Okay, so Link is kind of awkward, I'm not gonna lie. So what happened here? Okay, price break. I mean, price is never gonna come back there, so we definitely have to look for another one. And what about this? Yeah, there was this was a crazy one. People were able to catch this one, but so this is definitely the big buy for the sell. Price brought down here, tested in. Yeah, actually this is one really big, if you guys can really understand what I'm trying to do here, is show you guys actually go for the bigger plays if possible. Just check this out. Yeah, it took quite some time to play out, but look, actually no, let me mark it out for you guys so that you guys just have a good understanding of how things came out here. Right? Okay, wait, let me yeah, I just wanted to get rid of the other ones. So from here, so as you can see, price actually came down, broke through, came up here for a fill and shot down. Now that was a game over what, like 2 days, but look how perfect things played out if you just wait for the perfect setups. Now that I know that was a perfect setup, check this one out. This is the next one, which is clearly doable. I mean, it's a clearly downtrend. Right, as you can see, price is actually broke past and is in its way to mitigate. Now I'm hoping 80%, maybe somewhere around this area for sure. I'm hoping it'll be somewhere around here, that yellow, and then from there we can probably see one going down. That's definitely what I am looking at for Link. Now if you take a look at XRP, a little bit more movement, that's what I like to see. Ooh, this is what a bump. It's almost 100% bump. XRP is great. Actually, it is more than 100% bump. Holy shit. I mean, look, 0.47. I mean, if you double that, it's like 0.94, 0.95. Yeah, it was a double. It's 100% gain. This is crazy right here. Probably just in a couple of hours as well. check here, bro. Like just like what, 15 minutes? This is about 1 hour. This is about 2 hours. Yeah, about 3 hours, bro. Yeah, check it. So, okay, so this was 3. Look, it was 3:15. Pumped all the way 6:30. Yeah, so 3 hours. Everything's up and about. Anyways, so to get crackling and moving. Yeah, so price is kinda shaky at the moment, but bram bram bum 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 bum. Where do we go from here? Okay, so we just have to get the bottom. Alright, that's what we always do first. From here, I think is a good point. So that's the bottom. And then, of course, we draw out breaking point. Breaking line, sorry, so price broke there. You can call this a little bit of a mitigation. That actually does work. But it did mitigate here as well. So, I mean, either way, this is the box you have right there. So now the point is, which way is it gonna go? We know we can only go one of two ways, but I mean the other one is gonna be a clear BOS, which we'd hate. So it's clearly an up, down, up, like so, or from here it's actually an up, down. Oh wait, apologies for that. Let's just go a lot more in the behind, and then just supposed to connect it from here to here to here. Yeah, just like that. So one of two options: either it breaks in the upside with a little bit of mitigation down the bottom to come down to at least 40 to 60%, and only then will it be able to ride all the way up, or price is gonna sell negative side, go all the way down, and only then will price be able to go down properly and mitigate all its positions, because as you remember, trading the box method is trading the institutional way, and institutional way is just watching out for how the big players are going to end up trading. Okay, so let me see if there's any clear movement. Just give me a sec. I mean, I do whenever we do setup. I like it when we go nearer. So let's just consider this. Okay, this is the sell before the buy. And now clearly broke, came into test, shot up, which means this to this is your next box, right? Now because that to that is your next box, down, and it did mitigate a little bit. It did go down even more, so you could have exited right there, but it did come and test, and boom, even farther than I ever thought it would. Exactly. So now price came down, it tested back in. So who knows? Actually, who does know? Price is actually just gonna fly all the way down. DYDX, let's do the last one really quickly. So DYDX is also moving. What, bro? What? Apologies for that. It's just a little sound I like to make. 1.7, and what did DYDX peak? 2.252. Alright, calm. Well, apologies for the delay. Actually, there was something I had to fix really quickly. Okay, so where were we? DYDX, right. Okay, so it seems like to be having a crazy little bump. Okay, so definitely a slide up, down, up. Okay, so this is the big sound buy. We can actually just move close and look at direction in near coming. So this is definitely, or we can do this buy. And let's just do the sell, in my opinion. Like, let's go below. Okay, and then so this is clear price break. So price broke down, came back in, test, shot all the way up, which is a classic and how things are supposed to work. Just like that. Price. Okay, so price is clearly in the uptrend direction, right? So we're gonna expect a little bit of a reject, hopefully somewhere on these spots, and then a fly all the way up. That's definitely what I'm looking at for BTC. So of course I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I will be uploading a lot. Like and subscribe of course if you did, and I will catch you guys in the next one.